Hello, welcome to another tutorial. We're going to be doing Loveworld, okay, and the original key is in the key of G. So I'm going to play G, and then when I finish, I also play it in C. All right. So the intro starts on a 6-5-4. So this is the chord 6 of G. And this is the chord 5, and this is the chord 4. So it starts like this. This is the chord 1. Let me do it again. Sorry. This from chord 1, from chord 6 to 4, then chord 1 to a 5, 6, chord 4, then 1. Just your name. Then you do a 5. So 6-4. Nothing changes your name. Chord 1. So you do a 3-4. Then your name 1. Your name to 4 is holy. Back to 1. Lord of my life. 5. I serve you only. 6. Your word to 4. Truth and the only. Back to 1. As we declare. 5, 6, 7, 1. Right. So you are Lord over all. So you are 5, 6, 7, and then 1. So my 7, I play 5 and then 7 on the left. So you could like this. You could play an add 9 on the for 5 chord 5, and then play a 7 like this, and then end. So your name chord 4 is holy. 1. Lord of my life, I'll serve you holy. Your word is truth and the only. Yes, we declare you are Lord over. So I delight in your warm embrace, then have a joyful. You do a chord 3, but not a minor, a major. Every man 1. Yes, we declare you are Lord. So let's do that part again. So every chord 3 normally is a minor chord. Chord 2, chord 3, and then chord 6. They are always minor, but there are times you can play them as major, and this is one of them. So the chord 3, you play a major, and then to 6. You are God for da da da. Yes, we declare you are Lord over all. Okay, so I'm now going to switch to key C, and then we'll try to use the same progression. The intro is a 6-5-4. So 6, and then 4, then 5, 6. Then you start again, 6. 4, 2, 1. Your name to 4 is holy. A lot of my life I serve you holy. Your word is truth and the only one. Yes, we declare you are 5, 6, 7, 1. I delight for in your warm embrace, then ever joyful for your grace. You are God to every man. So what I did, the 3, I played a major, and then to 6. You are God for to every man. Yes, we declare you are Lord over all, and your name is holy. Lord of my life, I serve you holy. Your word is truth and the only. Yes, we declare you are Lord over all. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. See you in the next tutorials, and bye-bye.